Florida's got orange groves, gator pits, and sandy beaches. But lately, there's a new pit making waves, the Poo Pit. They say it's taking Florida by storm. So I figured if I'm coming down here, I better blend in. But let's be honest, this really isn't my scene. Now this is more like it. Let's see what Florida's got to offer. Butch, how's it going?
Good, how are you, Rob?
Great, thanks for having me down here in Florida.
Yes, sir.
So I just seen you guys put your second Poo Pit in.
Yes, sir.
How do you guys like them?
Love them. As a Poo Pit, you don't need all the heavy equipment out there to install it in the ground. It's light enough where you can use regular slings, straps and stuff instead of big cranes, heavy
I see
equipment.
you guys using smaller stuff.
Yeah, the guys put it in the ground by hand and all that. So it was light and it was more safe using this than the regular precast one.
When I first saw this product, I knew that this was something that was going to change the sewer industry. The guys here at Melbourne, I get nothing but positive feedback. It's faster to install, they save a lot of money on maintenance, and the big number is the I&I reduction. The safety factor too isn't something we should overlook. There's people that go into manholes and unfortunately don't come out. And with our pit being small enough, you can still access the system without having to put a person down there.
Kurt, thanks for having me. Let's go check out that beach.
Yeah, absolutely, let's do it.
Alan, it's great to be down here in St. Johns County.
We're glad to have you here,
So do you guys struggle down here a lot with a lot of corrosion?
especially here in Florida where it's nice and warm and nice and moist. Manholes will get eaten up in as short as 6 to 12 months.
Really, after install?
Yes, absolutely. I see this as the next thing in our standards.
You know, precast concrete is something that has really not gone in a good direction from a quality control standpoint. When the opportunity came about to use something that would replace that, we really jumped all over it. There's so much less work that's involved with moving through a project. I mean, anytime you're dealing with less concrete, less mud mixing, who's not going to love it?
The first thing that drew my attention not only was the high-density polyethylene bulb, but the fact that it has the PVC either glued to it or gasketed to it. And anytime you can have plastic in a wastewater environment, there's just no corrosion. If you really wanted to get in there and just jet it and clean it,
Comes out brand new.
it comes out looking brand new.
Just allows us to really focus on getting the work done, allows safety to just be that much easier and better.
And everybody goes home at the end of the day.
Yep, 100%.
Answers a lot of questions, a lot of issues with one product.
One of those things, why didn't we do it 10 years ago?
Why didn't I invent it?
I came down here for a tan, and here I am battling for my life in a flash flood. From St. Johns County to Melbourne. I see why the Poo Pit's important. This is gonna be the future.